and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can change like your weapon skins on Valorant. So I am just going to go to collection, and for instance I want to change the skin of my Vandal weapon. Select the weapon that you want to change the skin to, select the skin you want, and you can also select the color of the skin here. For instance, I want the blue one, select it, and don't forget to select equip skin. And that's pretty much how you can change the skin of your weapon. You can also, for instance, change colors if you want. Let's go to this one. Here, if you haven't have this variant yet, you need to purchase it with your Radianite coins. But that is pretty much it. I'm just going to change it back. Hold on. Where is my still? Okay, here it is. I don't really use Vandal a lot. I use Phantom more than Vandal, but yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!